Hi guys, this is Yana and I'm making this video today for my friend McKinley Slade. Today, decided to wash the cat in the bathroom. It was something. Filled the bath tube with water. Only the cat heard that the water flows and he ran away in unknown directions. We were looking for hours. Turns out he crawled under the bed where he was invisible. In short, we hardly washed. All clutches and teeth, he chewed us and scratching. All that crowd didn't escape, but still we did it. And today I should tell you about bathroom mold removal. But if you've got any questions or feedback, leave us a comment here in our YouTube channel, or better yet, please visit our website at http://homemoldtreatments.com. So, mold can grow anywhere in one's home. However, the bathroom is most likely to be infected with mold for the reason that bathrooms create a lot of moisture and collects a great deal of humidity due to the amount of water that is used. Mold thrives on moisture in order to survive, grow, and spread. There are a number of other items in a bathroom that amplify the growth of mold that one must take into consideration for bathroom mold removal. And therefore, if any individual is not making use of any of the products or items anymore, the first step of bathroom mold removal is that the products should be thrown out in order to prevent them from becoming a breeding ground for mold. As soon as water evaporates into the air, the level of humidity increases. This is why mold growth is quite common in shower areas. Apart from the shower area, there are other places in the bathroom where mold is likely to grow and where bathroom mold removal must be performed. This can be done with the help of bathroom mold removal products, and there is a wide variety of these bathroom mold removal products available on the market. One must keep in mind that ceiling also get wet and require cleaning along with the other areas of the bathroom during the bathroom mold removal process. So thanks so much for watching my video. Please remember that we've got a lot more content on our website at http://homemoldtreatments.com. And I honestly look forward to seeing you soon, answering all your questions, and appreciate any feedback you can give me. So have a good day, enjoy your life, have fun. I love you all guys. Bye.